We're here today with the team from Phil Fund. They're doing some tremendous work. We're delighted to have them. We'd love to hear more from the team. Cyprian, tell us a little bit about yourself and your experience.
Hi, Tony. Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for hosting us today. It's a great pleasure to be here with Cyrene Livestream. My background is a combination of financial and technology. As mentioned previously, I served in IBM for several years. Then I moved to a boutique investment banking in New York, where I serve as deal originator for private equity, serving for multiple industries. And since 2017, I'm being advisor in the blockchain space, mostly focusing on asset tokenization end-to-end advisory, where we had a couple of interesting deals. And since last year, we are quite focusing on we're focusing on what assets might trend well in the asset tokenization space. And like this, we got to the films and we discovered a lot of interesting things in the film world, and we already put them at play in Film Fund, which is the most complete, most compliant, fully on-chain asset tokenization platform today.
Excellent. Super cool. Alan?
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me here. It's a great opportunity to be in the show. So I want to talk about my experience. I'm actually IT engineer, senior IT engineer. I have more than 18 years of experience working on backend, front-end, full stack engineer. And lately, around 7 years ago, I started to get into the crypto Web3 world, and I've done some Web3 projects in Solidity, and also in Solana, Rust. So I participated in the projects that are actually impacting the real life, and joining here and also showcase Film Fund. It's a great opportunity to do it.
Excellent. Thanks. So tell us a little bit more about the problem that Film Fund specifically addresses.
And so when we started to interview filmmakers to sell them direct tokenization product, which is quite expensive, you need to put together the legal part, the ecosystem building part, the marketing part. We saw that all filmmakers wants to tokenize, are willing to tokenize, of course, most facing financial difficulties, and they would rather do a film from scratch than to jump in something unknown. But overall, everyone wants to tokenize because of two reasons: capital finding and distribution. Out of 10, there are 10,000 films which are done every year, from which 94% are individual filmmakers and 97% do not make profits. And they do not make profits for these specific two reasons, capital and distribution. And we thought that we put together a tool that do everything from filmmakers, from the idea to distribution, something great happen. And that's why we built this Film Fund as a hybrid tokenization product. In one side, tokenizing the revenue of the film, and in another side, tokenizing the proof of promotion with our FFA utility token.
Okay, excellent. Why don't you go ahead and share your screen, show us a platform. Let's dive into it.
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm sharing my screen right now. So last time, Tony, in our previous call, I was introducing the tokenization part, the tokenization flow end to end, starting with filmmaker listing the film to filmmaker withdrawing the money from the pool with the token, the GB token, the asset reference token being sent to investors. Now I introduce the utility part of the Film Fund, which is the proof of promotion tokenization.
Okay,
So
great.
this is quite very simple, and the mission is to create another distribution for filmmaker, tapping in the power of the crowd. Let's call it like a affiliate system, but on chain. Yes, and how it's working? Users will purchase a subscription plan. They need just to stake some FFA tokens. Each plan comes with multipliers. Bronze can multiply with 1. Silver is 1.5, and gold it's doubling the promotion points. So what are these promotion points? These FPP token are also some on-chain tokens which have non-monetary value, and each FPP token is backed by one subscription. So if I'm going, for example, after I register a staking plan, I'm going to search on the platform to see what movies I can promote. Yes, I'm simply generate a link, then I'm promoting the link wherever I want. Yes, and anytime when a user will jump on my link and will click my link and they will register, they will confirm the registration and they will log in FilmFund, they will receive an FPP point. These points will be available after 24 hours after the thing has done. So initial check can be done. So the point should be legit, not only on chain, but also in the real world. So at the end of the month, at the end of each month, these FPP points will be convertible in our FFA tokens. So this is in a nutshell what is proof of promotion about. I'm accurate, Alan, with everything I explained. Alan is the creator of all these systems, so he did a tremendous job on creating all this under my
It's fantastic.
architecting supervision.
Yes, yes, it actually is correct. So basically, the FPP points are earned by the fans who distributes the movies, and the FPP points are not transferable tokens. So basically, they are once you submit them for conversion. Actually, the user can submit you need to wait until up to 24 hours, then you can submit, and then they can redeem. We can exchange the FPP points for some FFA related, and this is related by the FFA pricing. At the moment, we have a launch price of 0.20 cents for FFA, but of course, the market price we will know, but we will be given FPP points according to FFA tokens accordingly. So this is basically to have a distribution accurate in the project itself. But yeah, it was clearly explained by Cyprian.
Very cool.
So Tony, the goal was actually to enable capital finding and distribution for filmmaker with no upfront cost, which is exactly FilmFund accomplished at this date.
Epic. Yeah, it's awesome. Cool. Do you want to show us a few other aspects in the platform?
Yeah,
cool
well,
some of the
there are
products.
a couple of other assets. So this is the utility side. People come here again. They are purchasing the staking plan. This staking plan not only that gives you access to the staking mechanism and you can generate and share links and so on, but also you have some priority in getting the GV tokens, which are backed by film revenue. Yeah. For example, every time when a film will be tokenized, the gold subscribers will be notified first. If remaining liquidity, it will go to silver and it will go to bronze. And if there will be still remaining liquidity in the film allocated tokens, it will be shared between the KYC user that they don't have a subscription plan yet. Yes, along with this promotion and tokenization, actually this platform comes with some AI tools we put together for filmmakers, which is a script analyzer, which helps filmmakers speed up. Also casting recommender AI. Also we are building this. The AI package is not ready yet. We are still working on it, but the tokenization part, the hybrid tokenization part is fully ready. And in the AI side, we have also trailer builder and we have other distribution agent AI, where we help filmmaker with traditional distribution. So this AI will connect filmmaker with sales agent, with film festivals, with streaming platform, and so on. And the goal is to create as many connections for the filmmaker as possible. There is also a product placement engine which connects the companies. Companies can come, pledge their products on the film fund, and they can choose a film where they want the products to be promoted. And filmmaker will see this in real time in their dashboard. And also we have a script marketplace where people can exchange script between them, can create script with AIs or can create script manually and trade them, and filmmakers can see them, and if they like the subject, if they like the content, they can buy, they can trade in peer-to-peer model with FFA token. So in nutshell, I guess I covered all about the tool. The most important things, we have a fully customized and ready product. Also in the area of proof of promotion in a utility side, our utility is access, governance, and rewards for the FFA tokens, and also the tokenization part is ready. And we can say that at the moment is the most complete, most compliant, fully on-chain tokenization platform. This model of course, is working for film, but the flow we created can work for other assets as well, integrated, of course, in another project.
Absolutely. That's excellent. Talk to us a little bit more about the product roadmap. What are you all looking to achieve this year?
Yeah, currently, as we wanted to finish the product and start raising the money after we finalize the product building. So here we are in this stage. We are launching a seed round, currently an early round, and of 700K. Then we'll have a pre-sale of 900K and a public of 1 million. Already public, it's subscribed, but several launchpads we are partnering with, such as Comunitas, CoinTerminals, Beanstarter, and others. And yeah, after listing, we have a very interesting, at this stage, we have very interesting actors and filmmakers we are connected with, and we will have some very interesting tier one of films, yes, which will list after we will go to mainnet. Now the tool is in testnet. We are still testing, of course, and once we go in public after auditing our 10 smart contracts, we will go in mainnet and we will publish our main batch of film, around up to 50 films we want to fund. Most of the capital we are raising, it will be allocated to marketing, to market these films. And we are our target market is of course the existing Launchpad user, crypto Launchpad users since 2017. They are savvy investors. They know about asset reference tokens. They know about utility tokens. They are used to it backing good projects, and hopefully they will trust Film Fund to and support filmmakers for now and beyond. And of course, because of our compliance component, we are targeting also institutional investors. They can come easily and support films, films and filmmakers. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. Lastly, I wanted to hear more about the token utility and tokenomics. So yeah, it would be great if you can elaborate on that.
Yeah, actually, as I said, we have in total 100 million tokens. 100 million tokens. There will not be other tokens created, so there is no maximum supply. There is maximum supply on it, so we have total supply. Maximum supply is 100 million. 26 millions are allocated for 2 rewards. Yes, for rewards, for promotion rewards. After rewards are depleted, the program will move forward, but filmmaker will finance with FFA token this program. Yes, so the program will not finish after the reward pool is depleted. And our utility for the token, as mentioned, is governance, where people can interact with platform and vote. And we want to push the governance also in the filmmaking side. So especially for the new filmmakers with no track record, for example, someone from the film school which is coming to post a film, our senior film advisor advises to allow them not to raise capital, let's say up to $50,000, and to release the capital based on milestone to assure that the film will be done, even for the early stage filmmaker. Yeah. And in the other side, beyond governance, the other utility is reward, because we are offering rewards through FPP and FFA conversion. And nevertheless, you are accessing the film pools by using FFA token and subscribing to a staking plan. So in nutshell, access, rewards, and governance is utility of our token. 100 million cap will never create other tokens. So I guess we have a very healthy tokenomics at this stage based on the feedback we got from the industry. Our tokenomics is public. Anyone can go to Film Fund. They go to can go to white paper here and read the white paper. They just click here and they can see tokenomics and pitch deck and all other documents in here. They can, if there are any question, we are happy to answer on the group or on other mediums where we are active.
Fantastic. Very cool. From your perspective, where, and how, I was just kind of curious, how will you onboard these film creators into Web3? I think many of them come from, slightly more traditional background and haven't used this type of product. I was curious, what the plan is to kind of onboard them.
This is very, very good question, Tony. And actually, this project have very big potential to bring be a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. We actually show the product demo to a couple of filmmakers with non-blockchain experience at all, and they understood it everything. They told that it's a fantastic product. They understood it perfectly, and I think it will be a big potential to embark a lot of Web 2 users, and also not only filmmakers, but also their fans, yes, which are coming with the film. So project also have very huge potential in bridging Web 2 users to Web 3, which is very good. So I think we created the tokenization in a way that it's just few clicks for filmmakers. Everyone understands. Also, we are providing a lot of documentation also for the staking and so on. But as you can see, it's very simple. You just go there, subscribe to a staking pool. What is the most difficult part is to get a wallet and have some tokens there. Yes, this is the most difficult part for a non-blockchain user. But definitely, we are providing a lot of documentation. Then they come, just subscribe to a staking plan, then generate a link, promote the link wherever they want, get FPP points. FPP points convert in FFA token, and this is the process of tokenizing the proof of promotion. In the other side, they just see the film listed in the marketplace. When they like a film, they do the KYC and they can submit the liquidity in a film pool. In exchange, after the structure has been completed by the legal advisor and the new GV token has created, they will receive the GV token in the wallets, which is backed by the GV agreement, which will give them revenue in the film. Based on the allocation they have prioritized in the beginning.
Very cool. And it's such an exciting opportunity, of course, not only for filmmakers, but also film lovers. Never, had the opportunity to actually like invest in a film and kind of see how that plays out. So was curious too, how will those who kind of invest in the project, how do they actually benefit?
So think about Tony. I give you an example. There was a film out there, just a small example. Paranormal Activity film had $20,000 in budget and produce a return on investment of $200 million. Yes, so independent films. You never know what you get. Yes, so actually they are very opportunistic, and by coming on Film Fund ecosystem, we are helping you not only with capital finding and with all the partnership you need as filmmaker, but we are also looking to create our own distribution with with the model we created via FPP points and FFA tokens. And I think this is a unique opportunity for filmmakers. Think about that. Who knows? Maybe in some years this will have maybe over couple of millions users, and suddenly a film that is posted here in Film Fund will be watched by tens of millions of users suddenly. So we can say we create another distribution for the filmmaker, which enables active fans to want to see your movie, because if I invest if I back a film, I want also to see it. I want also to promote this film, and I want also to interact with this film in unprecedented ways. And We have also a community here in Film Fund. I never spoke about it, sorry. It's a combination between IMDb and a piece of social network where filmmakers, when they submit a profile, they will land in this community instantly. So there the fans can interact with filmmakers, they can see their filmography, they can interact with their profiles, they can talk to them, and so on and so forth. So I think it's huge opportunity there. We for the films that have no license yet, we want to integrate also a pay-per-view mechanism, so the fund can come on Film Fund, just go on community, just go on filmography of the filmmaker and see the film that he or she has been created. So I think it's a unique opportunity. Of course, if there is no license, because for example, if already the film has been licensed in another site, cannot be promoted via the filmography of the filmmaker, but in some ways it's possible. You know, the film fund, if the film fund will save 500 films per year from the pool of 10,000 movies which are lost every year, I think it's a great achievement for film fund, and this is our goal for the next 3 years.
Absolutely. Well, I'm a movie lover, so absolutely love it. Get the popcorn cooking because Film Fund is coming to you. Thank you so much and wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tony. All the best.
Bye now.
Thank you all.